What's the meaning of Belgium? Belgium. Belgium.
Belgium. Belgium. Belgium is a country in Western Europe, known for its rich cultural heritage and history. The name Belgium is derived from the Roman province of Gallia Belgica, which was inhabited by a mix of Celtic and Germanic tribes. The modern-day country of Belgium gained independence from the Netherlands in 1830, and has since become famous for its waffles, chocolate, beer, and renowned art museums. Belgium is also home to the headquarters of the European Union, as well as the NATO headquarters. With a population of just over 11 million people, Belgium is a bilingual country, with Dutch and French being the official languages.